I will leave a parts list in the description. Most everything on the build was scavenged from the trash to build this. This part of the build is made from a 3/4 inch piece of plywood. The legs are made out of a lawn chair from the beach and some aluminum flat bar to support it. On the sides are aluminum angle iron. The piece of plywood is held in place on the grocery cart with some screws that stick through the grating, as you notice right behind the PVC pipe. That's what keeps it from sliding out. This is an old mattress that I found in the trash that I cut down so it would fit inside. These are some pieces of plastic that I had laying around that I used to lock out the wheel so it wouldn't roll around. And the material that constructs the dome is made from old election signs that I picked up that were thrown away. And I added the bicycle lock so you can attach it to something so someone can't take off with the whole unit. The 3 PVC pipes that are underneath had to be installed to support the basket since I had to cut the front of it off